Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Accessibility Challenges. This is Make Screen Reader Navigation Easier with the Nav Landmark. It says the nav element is another HTML5 item with the embedded landmark feature for easy screen reader navigation. This tag is meant to wrap around the main navigation links in your page. If there are repeated site links at the bottom of the page, it isn't necessary to mark up those with a nav tag as well. Using a footer, covered in the next challenge, is sufficient. CamperCat included navigation links at the top of his training page, but wrapped them in a div. Changed the div to a nav tag to improve the accessibility of his page. Here, if we zoom out, we can see our nav bar here. It has these three. If we look here, we can find those right here. So we see that div they are talking about. We want to switch that to nav. So we don't see any changes here, but we do know that this will now be wrapped in a more meaningful element versus a div, which is just kind of for content in general. This is our navigation, so we should label it as thus. So if we run tests, we should pass, and we did pass this. The important thing to take from this is the nav element, and like it says right here, if there are repeated site links at the bottom of the page, it isn't necessary to mark those with a nav tag, but it's usually meant to wrap around the main navigation links in your page. So like this here at the top would probably be wrapped around a nav element. As long as you guys are understanding that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.